Today from the personal playlist, we have a cozy fireplace and a sleepy cat. He's sleeping for about, I think, 4 hours. Let's not wake him up, because if he wakes up now, he will come to cuddle. And we have to do some practical network simulation. Deploy the static site attached to this task and experiment with the network simulator. The simulator will break down every step a packet needs to take to get from point A to point B. Try sending a TCP packet from computer 1 to computer 3 to computer 3 to reveal the flag. So from computer 1, we have to send a packet to computer 3 to computer T. We have the TCP packet, we have the handshake, we have the UDP packet, ARP, and a ping. Okay, from computer 1 to computer 3, packet type. And then we have also data. What if we go for this? Let's send the ping request. Okay, we can see that it also made for us the request easier to understand. Right, from computer 1 says to computer 3 is not on my local network, sending to gateway router. So as you saw, it first checked in here from our switch to the computer 2 and went to the router, went back to computer 1, went to switch 2 and then switch 3. ARP request, who has the router? Tell computer 1. ARP response, hey computer 1, I am router. Then the ping, send the ping request packet from computer 1 to 3. ARP request, ARP response, ping, 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 ping. Okay. Let's send UDP packet. Sending UDP packet from computer 1 to computer 3. Computer 3 receives the UDP packet from computer 1. Let's send the TCP. Pacatos. The handshake. As we can see, TCP handshake. Starting TCP IP handshake. Okay, let's wait for the replies that we learned about. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's go back. All right, the handshake began. Starting TCP IP handshake between computer 1 and computer 3. Sending the SYN, the synchronization from my computer to computer 3. Then the SYN ACK will begin. All right, then the ACK from my computer the ACK packet to computer 3, right? So we sent to computer 3 the ACK, computer 3 received the ACK packet from computer 1. The handshake is complete. Sending the TCP packet from computer 1 to computer 3. Computer 3 received the packet from computer 1. ACK packet, sending ACK packet to computer 1. So it's pretty simple. The first one is ping. It checks within our network. If not, it goes to the router and asks where is my needed computer. It finds it here. Then it sends the response back to computer 1. Now it knows where computer 3 is. We sent a UDP file or a UDP. We made a UDP request to computer 3. Computer 3 replied. But the TCP is, in order to send data, it needs to create the handshake, the three-way handshake. And computer 1 asks for the synchronization. Computer 3 is, let's say, acknowledges that synchronization, and then my computer sends an ACK. Computer 3 acknowledges that, sends it back, and then the data can travel. Okay, let's paste this. And how many handshake entries are there in the network log? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5.